I hope I am back. I cannot check yet. The first thing I've done is start OBS and hope for the best that the stream is back on. My computer just crashed. I got a black screen. And then everything went dark. My character is just currently frozen. Probably because my graphics driver just went bye-bye. I'll try to start Road to Vostok again and just hope the game I can load into the game that I just was crashing with. This went so suddenly. I lost all progress. This is not a fun way to... No, this is no fun. Why doesn't it have autosave? I mean, it's in early access. It's just been a month out. I am not going through the trouble of trying again. I will, however, change the game, since this is absolutely not going the way I wanted. I'm going to exit and start a different game. Let me go to Twitch, change the title as well as everything. Manages a data center. And the category is data center. Another game that I don't know about. Center. And I just get that. Change the application to data center. Change this to data center. Yes, this is going. My character is still frozen. Don't worry about it. I really have technical issues. Data center. This is another game that was recommended by me by someone. And, well, I wanted to play it anyways. See what's going on over here. And, well, as long as my character is catching itself, I'm gonna see everything is fine over here. Yeah, really a shame. Road to Vostok looked really good. Now I'm interested in what data center is. I have no idea what this game is about. And I am willing to hop right in. What is this? Interact with E. Okay. That is weird controls. I am still waiting for my character to unfreeze. I am very sorry for technical difficulties. It is probably too hot for my CPU or GPU, that's why it's crashed probably. So I'm very sorry. By rack, network switch, system X server and cable in the shop. Mount rack by patch panel. Okay. Buy rack in the online store. Let's see. What? System X. I have to buy. I have a switch. Do I buy a cable? No, I don't buy a cable. With the network, whatever. Do I buy multiple? And doesn't seem like it. Rack cabinet. And I still connect. Oh, okay. Cable. Rack cabinet. System X. Switch. Check out. My character is still frozen in place. But is this the switch to open the garage door? This could be a fire alarm switch, and I wouldn't know. Pick up the items from the container. I have no idea what... Ooh, this is the rack. This is the rack, okay. This is... I don't know. It's a System X server. Okay. This is the cable. It's 100 meters? Excuse? As an electrician, that is atrocious. Because electrical companies do take it differently. By cable, connect the server with the network switch. Connect this and that. Sign first customer. Before this, recommend to have 8 servers already connected. So I need another 7 servers. I cannot carry more than one. I guess that's why the trolley is here. I'm still waiting for my character to unfreeze. I am very sorry for my stillness. I'm a bit stiff today. But it is what it is. And then another server. Another server. Another one. I'll leave that top space open for now. Yeah, that top space, I'll leave it open. So... I know this is atrocious, but trust me. Trust the process. It's going to be better. So, that's the server rack. Alright. And then... how do I sign? That joke? Bermuda Triangle cell. Backup. Cable to switch. The customer base. Remember the customer application subnet. Okay. So I want to set up a connection to Mars switch now. How do I do this? Okay. I am going to here. There. There. To there. That thing over here. Server 0. Set up network map. Do I have it wrong? Am I stupid? The answer is probably yes. Do I have to... asset management. State of... how do I... and then... next IP. Next IP. This is not working. Usable IPs. Customer subnet. So R15. Right. Clear. 157.2.2.14. Copy this. Oh, this is the paste. This is the last position. This is the first position. This is the second position, right? This is the next position. This is not doing its thing. This is doing its thing. So this is all on. Allowed. Allowed. I have no idea. It is the same device. Oh no, it is not the same device. I see. Out. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'm not an IT guy. And my character is not frozen again. Network map. Summary, base, switch, cable connection. I have no idea what I'm doing. This should work. This should work, right? Because this is the first IP. This is the customer subnet of this one. Right? Because this is... Why 0 servers? I don't get you. Oh. I get you. I'm sorry. This is weird. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just... This should work now, right? Cable customer to the switch you installed. Set up IP and customer on the server. This is all... $25, $5, 19, oh, 28. Max speed, effective speed. I am not in the clear at all what I'm doing. This should work, no? Of course I have one server less, but this shouldn't disengage the thing, right? It has a duplicate address, but this one is not wired. I might want to restart the tutorial. Connecting both ports of the server will control redundancy, botnet mask, gateway speed, whatever. Change customer buttons, first name. Format. Botnet. It is used for servers. So is this wrong? Is this wrong? Wait, what if I do... this one? Does anything on data happen? You are connected to the switch. This cable is connected with every other cable in here. Why is it not working? I really should exit to main menu, make a new game real quick, and restart the tutorial. It's freaking me out that the time is running out. I'm probably the stupidest to do this. So, I buy 8 servers. I take switch. I take a rack. And I'll take cable. And check out. And then put the servers in here. And before I accept the contract, I'll figure out the IP thingy. And what address they should have. I have done networks, but never so sophisticated like a server. I mean, I have built one. I know what to do. Just the inner workings are a mystery. I want this switch above. And then I want, before I forget it, a cable from here to there. That switch is connected. That this is connected to each other and does not have a problem. What is this? I didn't have this problem before. That's okay for now. That means all of the servers are connected. All of the servers are on now. This and this is a LSCP group. Orders recommend to have 8 servers already connected. So cable the servers to a switch. Cable the switch to the customer base. Remember the customer application subnet. Then on the servers and network get the customer based on the logo. Insert application subnet. So the subnet is 10.25.16.0.28. Ooh. I've made an oopsie. But I now know. I now know what is to do. I know what has to be done. I just saw the time remaining and I panicked. I am very sorry. So the subnet and the gateway is, yeah, that's the gateway. 10.25.16.1. So I want 10. Why 10.22.2? When this is the gateway is 10.25.16. 10.25. 10.25.16. To copy. Okay. Yes, this is correct. This is correct. It is receiving data. So this is next IP. Next IP. Next IP. Next IP. IP. And there we go. Sign more customers. Probe tip, check the requirements first, prepare the servers, and then sign the customer. Plan the data center. Don't open all the ways. Create compartments, rooms. Okay. EOL, end of life. The EOL timer indicates how long your hardware is safe. When the timer runs out, the server will display a yellow warning mark. It could fail after that point. If a device fails, it will stop working. Okay. I get that. So the end of life is in 3 hours and 56 minutes. Yes. It's doing what I wanted to do. in the first place. This is what I wanted to do in the first half. It's just this gateway. I haven't looked at the gateway. I would have realized that sooner. I should have realized that sooner. Now I get 2 monies a second. So this is exactly what it needs. That's why server rack. So I could do dad jokes database for double. So I need 16 servers. Yeah, 4 hours is the end of life. I got you. I understand now. And this is where the patch panel comes into play. By 16. Then maybe 2 switches, because that's what it's needed then. A rack panel and check out. That I have a rack for 1 server basically. Okay, I can follow the logic. I'm just initially stupid, and then I get what I was having to do in the first place. I just need this kinda starter motor that helps me. If you get what I'm saying. So sorry for looking so stupid at first. It's not my fault, I swear. So, 1 switch over here. Then there will be a switch underneath. Is this enough space for a switch? Or nah? It is enough space for a switch. I'm still a little bit salty about Road to Vostok. It was such a promising game. Just disappointed. And there's no autosave for in case you're lose everything, you know? And the fact that I wanted to go to the shelter thing, and then the game just, yeah, you want to go to the shelter? Well, better luck next time. Look at that beautiful server rack. This is going into its limits, man. I don't think I can quite do this here. This is 5,000. Now, I want this. I want this. And then go here. Connect all of these. Maybe... No, I will make an extra connection. I'll make an extra connection for the other patch panel. If it's needed, even. This... No. I really need the second patch panel. And then have it here. And then I can set this up like so. How are you supposed... This is ugly, but I have to do... It has to do... same switch, create group, same switch, create group, and then what's your gateway? 1, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1. 1, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1. Copy. Okay. Oh, 2, because this is the next gateway. I see, I see. 3, 4... Yeah. Now I have to do a very atrocious thing. Don't look, YouTube. Don't look at this. This is not how I would do it. I promise. I promise this is not my solution. In a real life scenario, I wouldn't do that. There we go. Well, it is what it is with this. But this should be enough internet speed for servers. So this is perfect. Grown-worthy wisdom. That is ridiculous. So the next thing... Risk service. Interesting. I would like to do this one. The Tax Haven Holdings. Of 12,000. Which means I just have 24 servers connect. So 2 server racks, I'll put them both next to each other. That is just about all my money. Well... And I would have enough experience for the System X7 for 12,000 IOPS, which I don't need. This is the risk. Being fixed. 16 gigabyte RJ. Custom color. I want a custom color cabinet. Can I make it rainbow? Not really. Ugh. No, this is weird. I'll do a pink one. About here. And patch panel combo, patch panel fiber, blue and black for better thingy magic. for RJ thingies. And with my XP, I unlock this one, which would technically allow me for risk servers. Inflame, DQ. Just unlock this. It's a custom color for cables. Dude, I'm gonna make a rainbow. You cannot stop me. I just need to wait a little bit that I have the required... I need 2 cabinets. 2 pink cabinets for the thing that I want to do. So I have to wait a little bit more. I'm sorry. But that is the way of money. You just gotta wait. Cable fiber 1 lane, cable fiber 4 lanes. For QSFP. I mean, this is an interesting little game. If you're a nerd for this, definitely a thing to play with. It's just very slow progress. I'm gonna wait till I reach the 13k, I think. Or maybe do a little bit of shenanigans. But I really need by all at once, unless I'll just forget about it. Forget about it. I'll take that one too. For experience. And the next one I would like to have is this custom color. Why buy black, gray, blue for each 500? If you can have custom color 500 color. Just costs a little bit more experience. But there's no reason to do this. To not do this, I mean. Can I check out? No, not enough money. Okay. I really have to wait. Just wait. I mean, I can just buy one cabinet and then buy the other next thing, but I'm already waiting for a little bit, so why not? Can I get to browse a little bit more mods? There are mods for this game? Interesting. I'm still quite a little bit mad of that crash. It totally didn't have to happen. But what do I know? What do I know? I'm just a wolf. A very stupid one. $800. Just a little bit more. What I could do is this. And then just set the thing up. Then I don't have to stare at that shit 1 minute longer. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is wonderful. I love that server rack. I want it at home. This is atrociously wonderful. You cannot tell me this is not cool, man. Get all of the server racks on there. I managed to stack more on there. What I do. And I don't have any expensive per second. Yeah, probably the expenses per second come in play when technicians are involved. Don't start right away. I'll disown you. Just set up the networking first, then the cable management. No, first the cable management, then the networking. This is good enough, right? Yes, perfect. And this is then for the next server frame. That is perfect. That's perfect. I'll probably get more money for the the rack thing. Like the other color servers. Mainframe, GPU, whatever. Add manage more on there. Why is it 067 as my money per second? This is atrocious. This is cool. I like it. And I have enough experience for the custom cable. You cannot stop me. I'm gonna make a rainbow. This wolf is unstoppable. I want a green cable. Make it really green. You can just build a rainbow rack. Just need like all colors of the rainbow. Go. Oh yeah, this is like a neon green. I like it. This will be so good in my pink locker rack thingy majiggy. This is how you can tell your network IT boy is gay. He just buys custom color thing. And there will be bad dragon stickers on it. You just know that this is going to come. Also, like, random furry stickers. Just to add that extra gay flavor, you know? Now... Oh, this is perfect. Oh, look at this atrocity, I love it. The green goes so well with the yellow. I'm gonna puke. I love it. This is perfect. Yeah. This is actually a perfect example of a server. That's pretty cool. And I can take out this rack and place it here. So I don't really have to buy that other rack. But I will cable two networking thingies. Just do the same thing over here. Oh yeah, this is wonderful. Ignoring all laws of IT and everything that I've learned in electrician school and workplaces. Because what you are supposed to do is use these, go along these lines, and then go on there. But I'm a menace. I'm a menace and you cannot stop me. If it works, it works. Don't question. Do not question the elevated one, for it works. And if it works, it works. Do not touch what works. So, how do I want to route this then? Can do a really crazy atrocity. How about I go from here, jump there, take this, take that, go there, over here, no, this wouldn't work. Who plays these things? I would do another thingy here. Because this doesn't work the way I want it to. Now I have to do this. Go around here. Take this one. that one and there, and open NetRack for the 10k, 100k iOS. No, I have 120. I have 120, and it will be used. And crossing, Animal Crossing, is very, very important. That you really have to do the crossing. If you don't cross, you're not networking. Only amateur networkers don't cross their streams. This is atrocious, I love it. Just commit all the crimes of networking. Same switch, group. Same switch, group. And then gateway 168.10.15.1. One six 168.10.15. Yeah. Wonderfully obnoxious. What is this? $15.3. Copy. Okay. Next IP. Next IP. And so forth. And so forth. And everything. I do not need you. You need me. And I think this is a really great show off of what this and that last game have to offer. There you go. All done. Job's done. Nice. Very small, very little, very cute data center. You know what you're gonna do in the IT department? When you have a server rack and you have to basically give your privileges of a server rack to another ferry. You really have to prank him, John. with the weirdest accessories you can think about. Just give the Rex cat ears or something. Get them really weirded up. But yeah, I guess that's basically the game. There's nothing more other than expansion. Yeah, other than expansion, there's nothing more. And from the things you can see in this shop, it's not a big game. This is basically what you have, and that's what you have to put up with. So yeah. What ifs? Why can I not open these walls? Why can I open these walls, but not these? Makes no sense. Fake news daily. That's crazy. That's crazy. Pollution plus. Making the world slightly worse. Only slightly. With the optional plan of pollution plus premium, where you can sign up for toxic waste into the ocean directly. Anything else though? Yes. Or all of the servers, 3 hours of go time. Yeah. Revenue only going to grow, of course. Interesting. So there's also a reputation system for technicians. Command center. One time, 3k experience. That is... And that is basically all this game has to offer. I mean, it's okay, it's a small little fun game. Where you just idle about, doing nothing. Walking fast downtown. And then go into your hometown. So the next step in this would be these risk servers. And basically make these pollution plus things and then build up more servers, more things, more cables, and whatever. That's basically the game loop. So I think it's just about what you need to know about these games. And it is time. So, on that note, I'll say have a great rest of your day and